Are you interested in crafting a dating app like Tinder? Curious about the costs? You've got a unique audience base to target, be it travelers, bikers, fitness enthusiasts, or even foodies. Watch this video till the end and we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a Tinder-like dating app. In 2023, the global dating app market is valued at $9 billion. It's projected to grow to an even more impressive $15 billion by 2030. This presents an excellent opportunity for startups to enter this industry, as app users are actively fueling growth through their desire for connections. The top 3 dating apps are Tinder, Bumble and Badoo. There are others as well like OkCupid, Match, Hinge, Grindr and many more. Every new dating app wants to become the next Tinder. Most of these dating apps are very similar as they have the same functionality but use different solutions to set themselves apart. Creating a unique idea for your dating app is a critical step in the development process. This means you need to find a target audience which will use your app and make an idea that suits them. For example, your app could be extra welcoming to LGBTQIA+ community, or it might help people find long-lasting relationships. You could also come up with innovative ways for users to connect. Defining the unique selling point or USP is super important for a dating app. When the app's USP is clear to its audience, it not just gets more users, the users stay on the app for a long time. If you execute this step well, your startup could be worth millions in no time. Beginning with the minimum viable product or MVP is a smart strategy when developing a dating app. Tinder's business model involves 2 main components. First, there's the app that users download to find a match. Second, there's a web admin section that helps manage user profiles, payment management system, disputes management system, among other things. Your primary focus should be on developing these 2 key components. After they're completed, we can begin implementing the basic geomatching feature. This feature enables users to search based on their location once they've registered on the customer app. Following that, we'll tackle the standard features commonly found in all dating apps, such as matching, swiping, chatting, and more. Once this phase is completed, you'll have your minimum viable product ready. After that, we'll move on to the next step, where we'll add the special features that make up your unique selling point. This means designing and putting into action special features, user interface elements, and algorithms that will make your unique concept a reality. The UI and UX of the app will vary depending on the target audience. For example, if your target audience is travelers, the app will include unique features related to travel, such as connecting users who want to explore different locations. Conversely, if your target audience is food enthusiasts, the app's USP features may revolve around dining experiences, like allowing users to connect and arrange meetups at their favorite restaurants, even enabling table reservations for their dates. You can create different levels of USP features, with basic ones available to free users and advanced ones exclusively for premium users. In this detailed guide, we've explained how to create a dating app similar to Tinder, designed specifically for your unique idea. If you're ready to turn your dating app dream into reality, we at Brew Labs are here to help you. With over 3,000 satisfied clients worldwide, we're experts in custom software and app development. Connect with us today by clicking on the link given in the description below and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching this video to the end.